All right, guys, welcome back to episode 6 of investing $100 into our WeBull account. This is going to be week 831, which is going to be the day, pretty much the day Apple split. So today in the morning, we had Apple split. They had a 4-to-1 split. They were trading at about, I want to say $500 right before the split. So they started trading at 125 today. So I want to pull that up for you guys. I want to show you guys where we bounced into that. And then I also want to show you guys what Tesla did today. Tesla also split. They did a 5-to-1. They were trading at about $2,000 right before the split, and they had a crazy run today. So anybody who got into Tesla easily made about $50. Is just holding one share, which would have been really nice for us. We did have to work in the morning, so we got in on Apple somewhere right in the middle. So we got in about like 126 or 127, somewhere around there. And I want to pull that up for you guys. I want to pull up the chart for you guys. My bad, I completely spaced out there. But I want to pull that up for you guys. So I have Apple open right now. So we closed the day at 129.04. You can see that after hours we're still trading. We're about 129.52, but this is after hours, so it doesn't really reflect the actual market price of it. But our high of the day was 131, which is going to be the highest we hit today. I'm pretty sure it's going to continue to run up. It is very cheap for a very great stock to own, so anybody who doesn't own it, it's a perfect time to get in. You can get in really cheap, and they have a history of doing splits, so this is probably about their 5th split that they have done. And I want to show you guys the morning. So the morning, it's going to be right down here. So this is where we gapped up in the morning. We opened at about 127, and this is around the time I jumped into the trade. So we did get the nice little run up, and I'll show you guys the portfolio right now and how it's doing with Apple in the portfolio. So we gapped up, so there was no way to get that 125.50 exact price because it never came back down. So we gapped up and we held out through most day, and we hit a couple highs and came right back down. So I'm expecting Apple to continue doing this. It's going to continue hitting new highs for the next maybe month or so. And then they also have new phones releasing pretty soon. They have the yearly iPhone they released, iPads, the whole thing. So they're going to be doing pretty good. I also want to show you guys what happened with Tesla this morning. So I want to pull up their charts. I don't have them read out, so all right, so let's pull those ones up. So this is going to be the charts for Tesla. Tesla is trading at 509 after hours, which is just insane. They're trading $10, 2% after hours. And they opened up, let me see if I can. So yeah, so they were at 2,300. That was their high. And they split, so they're at 440. That was the split price. They ended the split price at about $500 flat. So $500 flat, trading at 508 after hours. Tesla is an insane company. It's one of those companies that can continue to do this for maybe the rest of the year. So we got about maybe 5 months left, and we'll see where Tesla is. We're definitely going to be following this. In this account, we currently don't own any shares. It is a very expensive company, but we do own a couple shares of Tesla in other accounts. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys the play for today. The play of today was definitely Apple, and I want to pull up the account for you guys. So Apple, we did get in. Let's see. We got in at 127. You can see that right down here, 127.53. We're up about $2 maybe. Our Cokes actually came up. They were hitting about $50 today, which is insane. I didn't really think Coke was going to move within like the week time span that I bought it in. I also got the dividends, the Vanguard high yielding dividends fund. That one is up $1. Starbucks is up almost $5, which is really good for Starbucks. It's one of those slow movers, but it's really good in the portfolio. And we got Rocket Communications, which is the Rocket Mortgage, currently up 33%. Really been on a rampage lately. But they do have earnings coming up this week on September 2nd. So depending on how they announce their earnings, it may shoot up, they may shoot down. But if they shoot down, we're definitely going to pick up a lot of shares, because I do believe they're going to be one of the great mortgage companies later on in the couple years. But other than that, we got Redfin up about $10, which is 12%. We got 2 shares of those. We picked both of them up together, so that's why our average price is about 42, and they're now at 47. And we got AMD. AMD moved up quite a bit today. I'm not exactly sure on the news of AMD, why they moved up so much. I do know Nvidia is announcing something within the next couple days. I believe the next 2 days, so about maybe Wednesday, Thursday, they're going to announce something big with their company, or something that they're going to be releasing in the said future. So hopefully that does really good, and AMD is definitely a good sympathy to NVIDIA. So let's continue. We still got Snapchat. Snapchat is now getting closer to our break-even point. So if we want to pick up anything, now would be a perfect time to pick it up. We have Ford, which was our free stock from WeBull. So thank you to WeBull. They are currently up 57% from when they gave it to us. We got it at $4, and they're at $6, almost $7. Those have been there for a while. And then we have the ISBC, which is, I believe, like an investor fund. I'm not 100% sure but this is another free one that we got from WeBull. It was average price when they gave it to us was about maybe like $12, which is $11.78, and they came down about half. So they're still there. I mean, it was a free $11. I'm not gonna complain about it, but we'll hold them. We'll see how they do. It's a good company to have. Yeah, and I like to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.